morning, everyone. It's Wednesday, May 13th. We are multiplying fractions again today, but with mixed numbers. So here we go. Our target today, I can multiply mixed numbers and simplify, reduce if needed. Hopefully you have a pencil and paper ready to go. Remember to keep practicing your math facts. It's so important for fractions especially. Okay, let's try doing our multiples of 6 while hopping on one foot or snapping our fingers. You decide. Ready? Here we go. I am going to snap my fingers so you will hear me clicking. So here we go. Ready? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. Okay, let's go back to our target. I can multiply mixed numbers and reduce. I will do this one for you. So we have 1 2/5 times 2 1/3. Before we even start multiplying across, because we know that when we multiply fractions, we multiply across the numerators and we multiply across the denominators. So we can't do that right now because we have mixed numbers. So let's make our mixed numbers into improper fractions first. Okay, so I have 1 2/5, which is going to be 5 times 1 plus 2, which is 7. We put that over 5. Our denominator remains the same. Then I go to 2 1/3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And we put that over 3 using the same denominator again. Then when we multiply across, now you can multiply across your numerators and your denominators. So I have 49, 7 times 7, and 5 times 3 gives me 15. And I notice that this is an improper fraction, and when we have an improper fraction, we must divide. So when I divide that out, my final answer is 3. My remainder was 4. That's going to be the numerator of my fraction, and 15 is my denominator, which remains the same. So my final answer is 3 and 4 over 15. Okay, now you complete this one and come back when you're finished. Please pause the video while solving. Okay, I have 2 mixed numbers, 1 2/3 and 3 and 5 over 6. I'm going to change the 1 2/3. 3 times 1 plus 2 is 5, and I'm leaving it over my same denominator, which is 3. My next mixed number, 3 and 5, 6. I have 6 times 3 plus 5 is 23 over 6. Keeping the same denominator again. And when I multiply across 5 times 23, what did you got? And 3 times 6 we know is 18, so you should have gotten 115 over 18. Now, we know that's an improper fraction, so you should automatically know in your head we are going to divide. So here we go. When we divide that out, 18 goes into 115 6 times. 6 times 18 is 108. We have 7 for a remainder. Remember, your remainder goes as your numerator and your denominator remains the same, 18. So your final answer should be 6, 7 over 18. Okay, let's review our target. I can multiply mixed numbers and reduce. Remember that all of these steps that we've been following is using everything we've been learning in fractions. All of these connect with each other. All of these lessons that I've been videotaping for you and that you've been learning, step by step, these all go together. So when you're having a hard time with one, you can always go back to one of these videos and see how to solve it. Okay, so like I have here, you have all these PowerPoint videos labeled and ready to go back to if you need to review certain parts. Have a great night, everybody. Miss you guys.